Seedream 4.0 tutorial and review. Is it better than Nano Banana? Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing Seedream. Now, Seedream is the brand new AI image generator powered by ByteDance. ByteDance is the company behind TikTok, and this is a new AI editing tool that is super popular for its really amazing realism and editing features. So let's take a look at where we can use Seedream and how you can get started. Now, Seedream in itself does not have their own launched website. However, you can use this on other platforms like Run Comfy, Flux AI, Byte Plus. This is their launch page. You also have this available on seedreamai.io, and then you also have seedream.pro. So to get started, just head on over into runcomfy.com. You are going to go into their playground, and you can just provide your prompt. On the top, you can see the particular model that you want to select. So if you want to select Seedream, you're just going to select Seedream 4.0 and then proceed. Now, it does cost you credit, so it's going to be costing you 7 credits to get started. And if you want, you can proceed with Comfy UI in 2 different ways. You can either get started as a hobbyist, or you can subscribe to their pro plan for $19.99, where you have $10 of balance credit every month with 20% discount and more. So you can just click on start for free over here and then proceed with your sign up. So in your sign up, all you need is an email address. You can sign up with your email address directly, or you can sign up with Google as well. Once you do that, go back into your playground. And once you go into your playground, you're going to go into image on the left, click on Seedream. And once you do that, you're just going to proceed. So you can view some of the examples as well, but I want to go with a really basic text to image. So I want to create a woman or a scene of a castle, just like so. And then I can choose how many outputs I want. If you select multiple outputs, that might cost you more credits. After that, you're just going to click on generate over here, complete your verification, and then it will proceed. Now, the prompt that I put in is a very generalized prompt. You can use Seedream for many other things that are a bit more specific, especially if you want to include more detailed editing from image to image. So if you want to upload an image and edit the colors, edit the way that a model is holding something, or edit the item present in the model's hand, you can do all of those different things within Seedream. So this is a scene of a castle, and this is the image it has created. It's a really beautiful image. Now, moving forward, you can pretty much do the exact same thing using Flux AI. So you're going to sign up on Flux AI, and once you sign up, you will get 30 free credits. So with those 30 free credits, you can create your first image for free, and then after that, you would have to upgrade. You are just going to enter your prompt on the left as we normally would, or we can also upload a reference image or an image that we want to edit. Now, after that, we also have Model Arc. Now, this is just their launch page where they are displaying different types of use cases and different ways that people have utilized Seedream. Then you can also go into Seedream AI, and then if you go into text to image, you can proceed. Let's say I want to create a castle or 2 women speaking in a castle corridor. And then I'm just going to click on generate. Then you're going to have to sign up. And the sign up process again is pretty simple. Just sign up at Google or your email, whatever you prefer. And once you do that, you're just going to proceed, and you will have the available credits and the required credits for the type of image that you want to generate. After that, you also have Seedream AI, where you can go into seedream.pro. So let's say I want to add a cat laying in a bedroom. And then I can choose the orientation I want, and then I can just click on generate over here. And this allows you to use Seedream for free. So you guys can see this is going to allow you to use this completely for free. And you can use these images that have been created completely for any type of use case, whether that's for your product, whether that's commercial use, you can use that. let's say I want to build 2 women speaking in a castle corridor, and then I'm going to proceed with generate over here, and just like so, our images will be created. Now, Seedream has many different use cases, and ByteDance has launched many different use cases for this. When it comes to Seedream 4.0, this gives you Access API. You can try it in their official playground, which is now available as well. So right now you can just go into byteplus.com. Once you do that, you're going to go into Seedream and then go into their playground. Once you do that, you have 3 options. You have comics, storybooks, or automatic. Then you're going to choose the quality, so 4K or 2K, and then the maximum number of generated sheets. Let's say I want to create something commercial photography. So I want to use the same prompt, and this is the prompt. And I want to delete the original character, and I'm going to be uploading an image from one of my own characters that we have previously created. Not created, actually one of my own model image shoots, and I'm just going to add that. Character photo Slack, change the character to a white simple t-shirt, pure gray background, blah blah blah. And just like so, I can proceed with my prompt. Now, this is totally up to you on how you want to proceed with using Seedream, and I do think this is a really capable image creator and image editor. It gives you a lot of access, and it is really good at converting your pre-existing images into commercial photography, blind box figures, storybooks, comics. All of that is pretty amazing. Although it does a very decent job at producing realism, I don't think that it's the forte of Seedream to produce some really high quality images when it comes to just realism. So Nano Banana is definitely still taking the cake when it comes to very hyper realistic images. However, if you're looking for a more innovative product that allows you to create images in different ways and styles, then Seedream is definitely the tool for you. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and now you are able to navigate through Seedream and utilize it on the many different platforms that this is available. If you guys did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below which one of AI's most innovative tools are you most interested in, because Seedream is the newest tool right now, but there are many other launching every day. So that can take a simple image into a professional image. It can take your selfies to a professional stock photography studio. So now the need for these types of AI tools is very advanced. And if you're looking for a specific type of tool, make sure to let us know in the comments down below. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have, and it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.